All right, guys, I got a good one for you today. I think you're going to really like it. If you like buying the dip, and I'm talking the dip, you're going to love this stock. So stick around. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I post at least twice a day here on the channel. So if you aren't subscribed already and you like this video, please subscribe for me and hit that like button if you learn anything new or find any value in this video at all. So in this video, we're going to talk about CleanSpark. I'll tell you what CleanSpark does a little bit. We'll talk about price action because they're down. When I talked about buying the dip, they're down around 60% year to date. Oh my goodness, down a lot. We're at levels that we haven't been at for a very long time, and I'm talking like 2020. So I think this is a perfect time to accumulate shares of CleanSpark, ticker symbol CLSK, and we'll talk about why here in a second. So CleanSpark is a dual microgrid solutions provider and Bitcoin miner as well. So this is a company that got into Bitcoin mining last year, and they've been creating more and more rigs for Bitcoin mining. They've been expanding facilities there because at scale, Bitcoin mining can be incredibly profitable, like incredibly profitable. Now, they just had terrible earnings, and I mean really bad, and that's why the stock is down so much. In fact, I think they're down 27% or so, right around 25% over the past week. So it's something to note. They are down a lot over the past week even, but like I said, down around 60% year to date over the last 8 months. So this is a company that had really bad earnings on Tuesday. They had revenue came in. I'll pull it up here for you. Although sales were up 47% sequentially and up 247% year over year, they didn't hit expectations. Consensus estimates were 15 million, and they delivered around 12 million in revenue. So not fantastic, and that's why over the past week, and especially over the past couple days, I think they fell an additional 10% today. Let me pull up the advanced chart here. Yeah, 10% today, trading under $11 for the first time since November of 2020. But look at that. This was a $40 stock back in January of this year. And it was a $25 stock. And then it jumped back up over $40 for a short time back in February before falling along with pretty much every growth company out there. Now, the reason I want to talk about CleanSpark is because it is intimately tied to Bitcoin now, and because of their ramp up in Bitcoin mining rigs, they're actually going to start mining a lot of Bitcoin, up to 10 per day. I know this article here says they're currently mining between 6 and 7, but the goal is to get up to 10 per day by the fourth quarter, and if they do that, they'll be able to deliver over $40 million in revenue in the fourth quarter alone, which would be a fantastic thing for them to be able to do. So let's jump over to this article here. It says, in the fiscal quarter 3, CleanSpark mined right around 2 Bitcoin per day. But management noted the company was generating 3 BTC a day by the end of the quarter and is currently mining 6 to 7 BTC a day, which suggests a rated average number of around 530 in the September quarter. As a current BTC price of around 46, this implies about 24.38 million. Now, they actually have a goal to get to 10 Bitcoin per day, like I said, in the fourth quarter, and they should generate over $40 million in revenue. So this number is a little bit skewed even, and you're going to see here what the analysts think about CleanSpark, and the analysts like CleanSpark quite a bit. Additionally, the company recently announced it splashed out $6.6 million on an 87,000 square foot data center in Georgia. The former Sprint Nextel facility is anticipated to give CleanSpark around 20 megawatts of power access, enough to support 6,000 S19 mining machines, which translate to another 650 in their hash rate. So they're going to be able to mine more Bitcoin. This part here is a statement from one of the analysts here, where we'll get into the analyst ratings. He says, this was a strategic acquisition in the race to secure infrastructure, which should allow CleanSpark the ability to plug in its equipment as is delivered. We expect a lack of infrastructure to be an ongoing problem across the BTC mining sector over the next 2 years. Via the center's participation in Georgia's Simple Solar program, the new facility's mining operations are expected to be 100% net carbon neutral, which is pretty freaking exciting, because that was one of the big hiccups this summer and spring in Tesla and Elon Musk saying, look, we're not going to accept Bitcoin as a currency anymore because Bitcoin is dirty right now. It's essentially less than 50% carbon neutral, or energy coming from renewable resources. And that was something that Elon Musk really pushed back against, saying that it kind of defeats the purpose of what we're trying to do here at Tesla. And this is a fantastic opportunity for CleanSpark to have a facility that is 100% net carbon neutral. Really, really exciting stuff. Now, again, let's go over the advanced chart here real quick, because I want to show you guys, again, this hasn't been this cheap since November of 2020, okay? And I believe if you think this is a good opportunity long term, obviously do some research on this stock. Don't just watch YouTube videos, but do some research on this stock, dig into the fundamentals, dig into the numbers. If you believe in this company long term, it's probably a good place to accumulate shares. Right now, it seems like a fantastic time to accumulate shares, especially under $11 per share. I am very, very interested in accumulating shares personally for the long term. I'm looking into it. So let's jump over, see what the analysts have to say. There's 2 ratings, giving it a moderate buy based on 2 ratings with an average upside, look at that, of 285%. Now, I expect some more ratings to trickle in over the next few days, but even after that earnings report the other day, 2 days ago, right? This person reiterated their price target of $50 per share over the next 12 months. This is a 353% upside from a 5-star analyst from H.C. Wainwright. So what do you guys think about CleanSpark? Do you hold CLSK in your portfolio? Do you agree that it's a good time to accumulate shares? Or does it make you scared that this stock is down 60% year to date? Let me know how you feel about this company down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. Please tell me if I'm crazy. And again, if you found any value in this video, subscribe for me, hit that like button. Remember, I post here at least twice a day on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.